Picture this for a second. In a world where flashy SUVs dominate parking lots, and every new car seems to shout for attention with massive grilles and aggressive lines, there's something quietly confident about a sedan that doesn't try too hard. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Siaz is exactly that kind of car. It doesn't scream, it speaks calmly, clearly, and intelligently to people who care about comfort, efficiency, and real-world usability more than badge flexing. Now, if you're watching from the United States, Maruti Suzuki might sound like a name you don't hear every day, but globally, Suzuki is a giant when it comes to practical, reliable cars. And the Siaz has always been one of those underrated sedans that people buy for sensible reasons, and then end up loving far more than they expected. The 2025 version takes that formula and refines it even further. At first glance, the Siaz looks clean and mature. It doesn't rely on wild design tricks. Instead, it goes for a balanced, almost executive look. The front end feels sharper now, with a wider grille and sleeker headlights that give the car a more premium presence. It's the kind of design that ages well. 5 years from now, it won't look outdated or overstyled. From the side, the long wheelbase and smooth character lines give it a stretched, elegant profile. And at the rear, subtle chrome touches and updated tail lamps finish the look without going overboard. But where the 2025 Siaz really starts to win hearts is when you step inside. This cabin is built for people who actually spend time driving. The seating position is comfortable, visibility is excellent, and everything feels thoughtfully laid out. The materials are noticeably improved compared to older models, with soft touch surfaces where it matters, and a dashboard design that feels modern but not distracting. The infotainment system is larger and more responsive, supporting smartphone connectivity that just works the way you expect it to. No unnecessary learning curve. You get in, connect your phone, and you're ready to go. One of the biggest strengths of the Siaz has always been space, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. Rear seat legroom is impressive, even by mid-size sedan standards. This is the kind of car where adults can sit comfortably in the back on long road trips without feeling cramped. The trunk is generous too, making it a practical choice for families, commuters, or anyone who needs a car that fits real life instead of just looking good on Instagram. Under the hood, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Siaz focuses on efficiency and smoothness rather than raw horsepower. The engine is tuned for relaxed driving with linear acceleration and a calm, refined character. It's not trying to be a sports sedan, and that's actually part of its charm. In city traffic, it feels easy and stress-free. On the highway, it settles into a smooth cruise, soaking up miles without making you feel tired. Fuel efficiency remains one of its strongest selling points, which is something American buyers are starting to care about again as gas prices fluctuate. The suspension setup deserves special mention. It's tuned for comfort, not stiffness. Rough roads, potholes, and uneven surfaces are handled gracefully, and the ride quality feels composed even at higher speeds. Steering is light and predictable, making daily driving effortless, especially in urban environments. This is a car designed to reduce fatigue, not add to it. Safety has also been given serious attention in the 2025 Siaz. You get multiple airbags, stability control, ABS, rear parking sensors, and a solid body structure designed to protect occupants. While it may not be packed with every advanced driver assistance feature you see in some high-end American sedans, it covers the essentials well, focusing on reliability and consistency rather than gimmicks. What makes the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Siaz particularly interesting for a global audience is its philosophy. This car isn't about chasing trends, it's about delivering value where it matters most. Comfortable interior, excellent fuel economy, low running costs, and proven reliability. For buyers who are tired of complicated tech and expensive maintenance, the Siaz feels refreshingly honest. Imagine this car as a daily companion. Morning commute, weekend errands, long highway drives, family trips. It fits into all of these roles without complaint. It doesn't demand attention. It earns appreciation slowly, over time, as you realize how easy it makes your life. In many ways, the 2025 Siaz represents a side of the automotive world that doesn't always get enough spotlight on YouTube. It's not about 0 to 60 times or track performance. It's about real-world satisfaction, about getting into your car every day and knowing it will start, drive smoothly, and cost you less to own in the long run. For American viewers who are curious about how global markets approach car design differently, the Siaz is a fascinating example. While the US market leans heavily toward SUVs and crossovers, sedans like this continue to thrive elsewhere because they simply make sense. They're efficient, comfortable, and surprisingly premium for the price. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Siaz proves that you don't need aggressive styling or oversized engines to create a compelling car. Sometimes, doing the basics really well is more impressive than chasing headlines. It's a sedan for people who value calm, confidence over loud statements, and in today's chaotic automotive landscape, that's actually pretty refreshing. By the time you finish driving it, you don't walk away thinking about one single feature. You walk away thinking about how balanced it feels. And that's exactly what the 2025 Siaz is all about.